Alright, I'm Craig Watson. I'm a sophomore in the Robotics and Automation program.
Okay, and
I'm
you're?
Travis Hendershot, and I'm a sophomore in Robotics and Automation also.
Okay, so what do you got here?
We have a robotic battery tester.
Alright, this
is our HMI screen. Yep.
Cool.
What's going to happen is it'll pick up the battery, and depending on what the voltage is, we have set as 1.35. If it doesn't make that voltage, it goes right in the trash bin.
Okay, and this is 1.27.
Yep. So it didn't. That's a failure.
Okay. So you have a proximity sensor here.
Yep. And that's what cuts off the conveyor belt and tells the robot to go down and pick the battery up.
And that's an optical. That's a reflector on the
Reflectors,
side.
Yep.
Okay, cool.
And what happens is this battery will, if it tests good, you can see it's above 1.35. Inventory count went up 1. It'll go to the size test. And here's where it's going to tell whether it's a AAA battery, AA battery, or C battery.
See, ideally this would be screwed down to the thing, to the actual desk, but it gets bumped around, so miss.
Once it tells the battery, we actually have a picture that pops up on the screen too.
But it can tell, fortunately it still works.
Yep.
For size.
But yeah, right there it just tests the diameter, and the robot can tell you what the actual size, and that determines the AAA, AA, or C battery.
Okay, cool. Here, I got a 9-volt battery here. Let's see how it goes.
No, that one's too small too.
That's cool.
If we actually get a good battery for it, we actually have pictures too that come up to tell us what the sizes are.
Yeah, I missed out on the other one here.
Yeah, that would be a good battery.
I think I got some batteries in my desk. I'll let you guys run through here. So this is the.
Inventory count goes up 1. Yep. Now it won't
Show that picture until it does the diameter test.
Okay, so now it's going to do diameter test.
Yep.
Okay, there
It shows it's AAA. And we actually, in order to do that, we had to fire outputs and interface it between the PLC and the robot. And that's how we tell which picture to come.
So what PLC are you using over here?
We're using the G Fanuc.
Okay, so you're using a VersaPro software in the background.
And right here's our software. Up here's our actual turning on a conveyor. Here's our actual test. What happens is this module, it brings our voltage in and converts it into amperage. And if it's 0 volts, it sends a 4 milliamps signal into the PLC. And then here, we actually convert that back into a voltage, and then that's how we know how much voltage we have.
I see.
And if it comes out full amount of voltage, it sends a 20 milliamps of current in, and then that converts it back, and it'll tell us we have our full amount of voltage here. And here's where we actually test whether it's 1.35 volts or not. If it's good, if it's over 1.35, this light comes on and it tells the robot where to go. And then this is our actual robot programming.
Score-based program, right. Awesome. That's your last battery.
We got a bunch more in here too.
Cool. This is one of the better battery tester projects I've seen.
That's what we like to hear. It was fun.
Yeah, I enjoyed it actually.
So that's a good one, right?
Yep. And actually over here, our lights and everything will even turn on. Like here, when our conveyor turns on, that light will change color, the sensor will change color, and our test light will even change color.
Wow. And there's the size. Comes up again. Do one more here. Another good one. So the C.
Yep. This one's C light.
One cell. Awesome. All right. Good job, guys.
Thank you.